Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a PayPal verified account. First, you will need to create your account. Simply visit the official PayPal website or download their mobile app. Click Sign Up and choose your account type, either personal or business. Then, enter your email and create a secure password. Finally, provide your personal details like your name, address, and phone number to get started. It's a straightforward process to begin your PayPal journey. Once your basic account is set up, the next crucial step is linking a funding source. Head over to your PayPal wallet section. Here, you will find options to link either a bank account or a debit or credit card. If you choose a bank account, you will need your routing and account numbers. For a card, simply input the 16-digit card number, its expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code. This connects your PayPal to your money. After linking your financial instrument, you need to confirm it. For bank accounts, PayPal will send 2 small deposits, usually under $1 each, to your bank. You then enter these exact amounts into your PayPal account to verify. If you linked a card, a small temporary charge will appear on your statement, accompanied by a unique 4-digit code. Simply enter this code into PayPal to finalize your card's confirmation. This step ensures your financial security. Finally, to complete your verification, confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email PayPal sends you. Also, verify your phone number by entering the code you receive via text message. With a fully verified account, you gain significant benefits. You will no longer have sending or withdrawal limits, providing much greater financial flexibility. Plus, you will enjoy enhanced security features and access to the full suite of PayPal services. Congratulations on your verified account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.